Hello guys, welcome back. As we know, Yahoo Finance is giving us a lot of information, financial informations, especially historical data of a particular stock. So if you don't know how to get the access of historical data of a particular stock, you just go to here in search button and just type the ticker name. Let's say talk about Apple. Now what you need to do, you just search AAPL, right? That's the ticker name, and you can see in the first there is Apple Incorporation. You click on that, and then you can see here this Apple price or previous close, open, bid, ask, and a lot of information is there, especially if you want to know the historical price, stock price of Apple. Then what you need to do, you just go to historical data, and then you can see, you can click on the time period, which time period you want, start date, end date, or you can see the duration, 5 days for last 3 months or last 6 months, you can see here, and then you can see apply. If you do that, then you can see all this data here. But there is a way that how you can download these data to your computer with completely free of cost. So if you download those information to your computer, then you can do a lot of analysis, and then you can take your trading decision. So how to do that? So there is one API, and the API name is Python API, and the Python API name is YFinance. So Yahoo Finance is giving one free open source API, that name is YFinance. So you have to download this YFinance in your computer and this run this Python code. So let's see in this video how to do that and get all this data with your computer with completely free of cost. So go to your browser and type your YFinance. So if you type there, then you can see in the first link there is called yfinance.py. So you can see here this YFinance API is here. So what you need to do, just go to your, you have to install this YFinance API. So how to install that? You have to type pip install YFinance in your command. Okay, so you have to go to your command, and then you have to type pip install YFinance. So if you are using Anaconda or any other ID, you have to do according to that. Let's say if you want to, let's say you are using Anaconda, then Anaconda prompt, you have to go to Anaconda prompt and then type pip install YFinance, right? So for this insertion process, I have already made another video. If you you can just follow that video, then you can know how to download and install this YFinance. So once that is, so I'm going to put that video in that link, so you can just check out that video. Anyway, so I assume you know how to install this. So you just need to open your command prompt and then type pip install YFinance, then it will download. So once this is done, so you have to go to your ID. So I am using Jupyter notebook. I'm just going in my ID now. Let me open a new one. So this is my Jupyter notebook IDE. So let me type here import YFinance as YF. So once installed, then I have to import this in my IDE. So as you all know, and then I can say YF dot download, and then I have to type the the ticker name. The ticker name is Apple, which is AAPL, and then I have to give the period, and the period is here. Let's say I want to download the data for 1 month. So I have to type 1 MO. So and let's put all these things into a variable, and the variable name is Apple data. Okay, so the Apple data is equal to YF the download, and then Apple ticker, and the period is 1 month. So if you run this, and then you can see a message 100% and 1 of 1 completed, and then you see how your Apple data is looks like. This is your Apple data. So this is very simple, and now you can got this information in your computer. So if you want to do any analysis, any kind of analysis, then you can do. Let's say you want to see how your closing prices looks like for Apple data for last 1 month. You can just simply say close, and then just plot. You want to show how it looks like, just simply say it like that, and then you can see this is how your Apple data closing price is looks like for last 1 month. You can do a lot of analysis throughout this data. Alternatively, if you don't want to put the period as 1 month, and you want from a particular time period, let's say from start date and end date, you can directly put the start date and end date instead of period 1 month or 5 months or 6 months, right? So how to do that? So let's say I'm just simply, typing here that, um, let's say Apple data 1 is equal to same YF dot download and the ticker is Apple. Instead of this period 1 month, you want to put the start date and end date. So start is equal to, let's say you want the data from 1st of January 2023. So you just need to, you have to give the string and 2023 01 01, and then your end is equal to, let's say you want from 1st of January 2023 to 1st of March, right? So you have to put 2023 and then 0301, right? So if you do that and run it, and you can see all your data is now downloaded, and just run this variable and you can see the data now, right? So this is how you can download the historical data. Either here you can put the start date and end date, or you can just put the duration for 1 month, 3 months, 5 months, or whatever, right? So this is how you can download the data. Now there are a lot of other operations are there here. If you go, the YFinance documentation, you can see a lot of way to get all the information. Here you can see, how to get the information of balance sheet, capital gain, splits, option chain, cash flow. So all there are a lot of other informations are there. So for that I have already made another video. I'm going to put that video link in this description. Go and check out that video. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is very helpful for you guys. If you want to download the data, I mean stock data, historical stock data from Yahoo Finance website, and you can do a lot of analysis through that. Thanks for watching this, guys. Thanks.